Hello, dear friends. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay connected to me. Follow Legal Pastime channel on YouTube. Follow the Legal Pastime page on Facebook. And obviously, if you like the explanations that I give. And today I will tell you a new concept about uh, a new concept of law, which says that let bygones be bygones. Just like in ordinary lives, we believe that if something has been already tackled with, some issue has already been decided, it should not be raised again because complaints are considered as toxic. Similarly, legal system also believes that once a case has already been decided, it should not be raised again afresh. The same old story should not be repeated again. For example, if I have sold you rice and you have given me 1000 rupees, but later on you discover that the rice that I sold to you was rotten, was not proper, it was not in a good condition. So you file a case against me and the court finds me guilty and says that Alvina, you have to compensate XYZ. The person to whom I have sold rice, that person has to be given monetary compensation by me because I have sold rotten rice to him and unfairly taken 1000 rupees from him, which I did not deserve. So, court will ask me to give monetary compensation to one of you to whom I have sold rice. So, this is done now. The case has been decided, rights and liabilities have been decided, everything is decided. Now, once again, you cannot file a case against me for the same old thing that I sold to you rotten rice. This issue cannot be raised again. No, not allowed. Because you have already taken compensation from me for this issue. Now you cannot rake up this issue again before the court. This principle of not allowing the same old story to be repeated again is known as res judicata. Res judicata is a Latin term which means matter already decided. Res means matter and judicata means decided. Collectively, it is called matter decided. This principle is basically aimed at avoiding injustice. The purpose of law is to do justice. That is why compensation is taken from the person who has committed wrong. But once a compensation has been taken, the purpose of law is not to torture the person who has committed wrong. The purpose of law is not to harass the other person. The purpose is to seek compensation in a just and fair manner, but not to torture the other person. If a particular party is taking a delight in seeking compensation again and again and again, then this is wrong path. This is not allowed by law. So, res judicata is aimed at avoiding injustice and also it is aimed at avoiding multiplicity of suits. Multiplicity means too many suits, too many unnecessary cases. Because once a case has been settled, why should it be raised again? This is wastage of time, wastage of money, wastage of legal resources. So, this is not allowed. Thank you, friends. Have a nice day.